This is my cats in my house. This is Nino. And that is Jacob. The white one is Chikoy. The special one, orange one, is Akiro. And this is my new rescue, Beauty. My new rescue is Beauty. And I think she's pregnant. Okay, this is my Jacob, my clingy one, and my buddy. And Akiro, papansin, wants to be always crying and needing also. Akiro, Akiro, oh, Akiro, my baby, special one. No legs at the back. No feet, I mean. No feet at the back. There is legs, but no feet. Okay. And this is my Nino. My Nino. My Nino. Nino. Beauty, Jacob, and where is Kiwi? The other one, I miss Kiwi. Kiwi. I don't know where is Kiwi. This is Chikoy. This is Chikoy. Kiwi, I don't know. Where is Kiwi? Kiwi, where are you? I didn't see you. And we have to go. Kiwi! Kiwi, where are you? We will go to the girls' room. This is the room of the girls. This is the Star. The white one, this is Snoopy. They are all, the three are girls. Snoopy, Star, and Angela. Angela, where are you? Angela? Angela, hello baby. Mama Angela, we call her. Mama Angela. The room is very hot, kaya binuksan ko mga bintana. Wala kasing AC. There is ceiling fan, but the hangin, it's very hot. So the technique is putting a cloth wet. The cloth is wet with water, so they will stay there. Wet siya. Mama Angela, what happened to your eyes again? We will clean that one. Oh, baby. Baka tuyo na naman ito. So every now and then binabasa para meron silang mapag-anuhan. But still little bit wet. So ito ang kanila, yan ang idea. Ang nagturo si Linda. Nanay Linda, hello Mama Angela, we will clean your eyes again, ha? So napag-idea ako. Litter box nila is yung liguan ng baby. Kasi tatlo sila dito. So, Mama Angela, Star, and Snoopy, tatlo sila dito sa kwarto. Hindi ka pwede dito gawas kay boys dito. Boys. So, where is Kiwi? Where is si Kiwi? Anyway, this is my happiness inside my house. This is my happiness. Baka nakulong si Kiwi. Where is Kiwi? Where is Kiwi, baby? Where is si Kiwi? Kasi baka nandun. Wala naman siya. Nagatago kasi yun eh. So, this is Chikoy. This is Jacob. And this is Beauty, my new rescue. Beauty. And this is Nino. Oh. And Akiro. And bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Please subscribe, share, and follow our video para sa aming mga cats. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody. Bye.